Have you ever pondered the immense impact of just two simple words? Prepare to be amazed as we dive deep into the transformative power of Connymendez teachings, which will delete all the negative beliefs and thought patterns that held us back from achieving our dreams, and explore how these words can unlock your true potential. Get ready for a journey that will revolutionize the way you see yourself and manifest your dreams. Welcome back, my incredible friends, to our channel. I'm absolutely thrilled to embark on this profound topic with you today. We're going to delve into the depths of Connymendez teachings and discover how these two words hold the key to reshaping your reality. Get ready to witness the magic that happens when you harness the power of Connymendez teachings. So, without further ado, let's get started. But before we dive into the depths of this incredible topic, if you're as excited about this journey as I am, I invite you to show your support by smashing that like button and hitting the subscribe button to join our growing community. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our life-transforming content. Now, let's dive into the astonishing power of I Am by Connymendez. Imagine waking up in the morning, feeling like life is just happening to you. You feel like a helpless victim of circumstances, tossed around by the winds of fate. But then, in a single moment, everything changes. You realize that you are not just a passive bystander in this crazy journey called life. No, my friend, you are the creator of your own reality. Can you feel that excitement coursing through your veins? This realization is like discovering a hidden superpower within you, and the key to unlocking this power lies in just two simple words: I am. These words hold the incredible ability to transform your life, aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your deepest desires. Get ready to unleash the magic that lies within the power of I am. I am is more than just a phrase. It is a profound statement of identity and existence. When you say I am, you are affirming your very being, declaring your essence to the universe. And here's the fascinating part. I am carries a sacredness that has been recognized and whispered across generations by wise souls who understood its profound power. At its core, I am is a connection to your true self, your spiritual essence. It is a reminder that you are not separate from the vast universe, but intricately connected to it. Through your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, you shape your reality. And I am serves as the gateway to harnessing this creative power. However, there is a catch. Many of us unknowingly affirm our limitations by using phrases like I have money problems or I am poor. We inadvertently create a negative reality for ourselves by perpetuating these limiting beliefs. But here's the good news. We have the power to break free from this cycle. Imagine flipping the script and consciously choosing to say, I am rich or I am abundant with unwavering conviction. When you truly feel and believe these statements, you open the floodgates for prosperity to flow into your life. Connymendez, a renowned teacher, emphasizes that each one of us carries the divine essence within us. Life itself listens and responds to our commands. I am holds immense power, and it always precedes a mental or audible command that life simply can't resist. Why does I am hold such significance? Because I am is the name of God, the Creator. It represents the presence of the divine within us. When we understand this, we realize that we have the ability to shape our reality, to co-create with the universe. People who grasp this concept never use I am to express negative decrees or falsehoods. Instead, they harness the power of I am to bring about positive transformations and to speak their truth. Imagine I am as the starting point of a grand adventure. It's like a cosmic invitation to the universe, where whatever follows those two little words will eventually catch up with you. The possibilities are endless. When you say, I am blessed, blessings start chasing you, eager to find you. When you declare, I am talented, your unique abilities shine through you. The power lies in consciously choosing what follows the mighty I am. Here's a golden rule to live by. After uttering I am, never ever say anything that contradicts your desires or reinforces negative beliefs. Instead, kickstart your day by affirming all the good things you desire. Say, I am blessed, talented, and prosperous. Watch as your reality begins to shift, aligning with the positive vibrations you emit. In our society, it's common for people to focus on their flaws and what they dislike about themselves. But what if we shifted our perspective? What if we started saying, I am beautiful, I am worthy, or I am enough? When we embrace these affirmations with genuine appreciation, beauty, and self-worth start seeking us out. We become the embodiment of these qualities, radiating them from the depths of our being. You are a masterpiece, my friend, intricately crafted by the hands of the divine. Within you lie hidden gifts and talents waiting to be discovered. It's like having buried treasure waiting to be unearthed. Embrace who God created you to be and let your confidence shine. Affirm, I am amazing, wonderful, valuable, a masterpiece, and a child of the Most High God. However, it's important to acknowledge that life can sometimes throw negative thoughts our way, trying to keep us small and inferior. There are external forces that want us to feel inadequate. But remember, you have the power to overcome these challenges. Visualize these negative thoughts as chains attempting to hold you back. And guess what? The power of I am is the key that breaks those chains. When you tap into the power of I am, you unlock your true potential. It's like a key that opens doors to infinite possibilities. Your entire life can be transformed when you embrace the magic of I am. Connymendez teachings provide a roadmap to harnessing this power and experiencing profound transformation. The knowledge and tools are right here, right now. It's time to put them into action every single day. Remember, if you don't define who you are, the world will gladly step in and do it for you. But you are not limited by external circumstances or societal expectations. You have the ability to create your own destiny, and it all begins with I am. So, my friends, say it with conviction and unwavering belief. Embrace the power within you and affirm, I am powerful, I am capable, I am deserving of all the good things in life. Let these words ignite a fire within you, propelling you towards your dreams and aspirations. You can comment down this to make this work and boost other confidence. Watch as your life transforms before your very eyes, aligning with the truth of who you are. Now, let's meet a real-life living example. Let me introduce you to Harry, a resident of New York City who faced financial challenges during the unprecedented times of 2020 to 2021 when the world was in lockdown. Like many others, Harry's job was affected, and he found himself struggling to make ends meet. During this difficult period, Harry stumbled upon the teachings of Connymendez and the transformative power of I am. Intrigued by the concept, he decided to put it into practice and see if it could help him navigate the financial hardships he was facing. Instead of succumbing to fear and despair, Harry started affirming positive statements using I am. Each morning, he would look at himself in the mirror and confidently declare, I am resourceful, I am resilient, and I am financially abundant. Despite the challenging circumstances, Harry refused to let negativity define his reality. Whenever doubts or worries crept into his mind, he would counter them with affirmations like, I am attracting opportunities, I am finding creative solutions, and I am financially supported. Through consistent practice and unwavering belief in the power of I am, Harry experienced a profound shift in his mindset. He started seeing possibilities where others saw limitations. Instead of dwelling on what he lacked, he focused on his strengths and the value he could bring to the world. Harry began actively seeking out alternative income streams, exploring freelance opportunities, and connecting with like-minded individuals who shared his vision. He immersed himself in personal development materials, expanding his knowledge and skills to enhance his value in the job market. As the months went by, Harry's determination and positive mindset paid off. He secured a freelance project that not only provided him with financial stability, but also opened doors to new opportunities. His resourcefulness and resilience became evident as he navigated the ever-changing landscape of the job market. But it wasn't just about financial success for Harry. The power of I Am had a profound impact on his overall well-being. He developed a sense of inner peace and gratitude, knowing that he possessed the ability to shape his reality and overcome any challenge that came his way. Looking back, Harry realized that Connymendez teachings had been a game changer in his life. By embracing the magic of I Am, he had transformed his financial situation and, more importantly, his perspective on life. He became a living testament to the power of positive affirmations and the unwavering belief in one's own abilities. As I conclude this video, embrace the magic of I Am and tap into your true potential. You are magnificent, and your dreams are within reach. Believe it, affirm it, and watch as your reality mirrors your innermost desires. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you found value in our discussion today and are as excited about the power of I Am as I am, I invite you to show your support by smashing that like button and hitting subscribe to join our incredible community. Together, let's continue to unlock the infinite potential that lies within each and every one of us. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep affirming your greatness and embracing the magic of I Am. Remember, you are magnificent, and your dreams are within reach.